Kissed by a Dog Creations. Of course, the new label that we have, Kissed by a Dog, inspired by Sandy Harrison, Macaw Talk administrator, and her hilarious snafu in the language department when talking about Catherine's shirts. But this is the latest creations from Kissed by a Dog and Catherine on Macaw Talk. And thank you, Sandy, so much for recommending that I order a shirt from her. I asked for a fleece sleep shirt, and this is what I got. It is just beyond awesome. I am so impressed. It's so soft. I'll probably just have to wear it as a regular shirt. But anyway, just awesome. And I actually asked Catherine to create a tree skirt for my parrot Christmas tree, also on Sandy's recommendation, and it is just awesome. So I wanted to share how wonderful this came out. Catherine, you do fantastic work. Love it, love it, love it. Kissed by a Dog? Thank you, Catherine. Love this shirt. It is so awesome. Love the new tag. Thank you, Sandy.